Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So today I've got another simple way for you to go ahead and make money online, and how you do this, you go ahead and you look at a website and give feedback on that website and then you earn money, and it's as simple as that. So let's just go ahead and have a look at this website now. In fact, let me just close this off. So this here is the website and it's called usertesting.com. So let me just move this over here. So how it works, you earn $10 per test. So you visit a website or an app, you complete a set of tasks speaking your thoughts out loud, and then you get paid $10. So if we just scroll down here further, so you get paid $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. And user testing pays you to go ahead and visit websites and apps, and then you complete a set of tasks and speak your thoughts. So what happens on here is you go ahead and you download the software, and the software is basically, it's a screen recorder like what I'm doing here on this video, and you get given different websites and different apps for you to go ahead and have a look at, and then you go over and you have a look at it and you give your thoughts and your feedback to it, and then this platform here, user testing, then goes and gives that feedback back to the company, and then you get paid $10. So effectively you can earn $30 every hour doing this. So let's just scroll down here on the page. So this company here, usertesting.com, I've been doing a little bit of research into them and looking into them. They've been featured on some pretty high ranking websites. So they've been featured on the New York Times, the Huffington Post, the Wall Street Journal, and also Life Hacker. And you can go ahead and have a look at these links on the website. You just click on these and it'll take you through and you can have a look at the review. But as you can see here, this one on the New York Times, user testing, you get paid to offer feedback on a website. The pay is $10 per test, and it involves visiting a website, completing some tasks, then recording your feedback about the experience. And these tasks take between 10 to 20 minutes to complete, so a maximum of 20 minutes, and that is it. So if we scroll down here, you can see here more than 700,000 tests have been taken by users for companies like all of these different companies on here. This is who they're working with. So they're working with eBay, Twitter, Apple, Facebook, Dropbox. So let's just scroll down here. So how do I get started? Do you need anything? So first of all, you're going to need either a computer or a laptop, a tablet or a mobile phone. Next, you're going to be able to go ahead and download the testing software. So if you have any of the above, then you're fine. You must be 18 years or above, and ability to speak your thoughts aloud in English. Now, the one thing that I will say about this website is it's simple to do, it's easy to do. However, there is a couple of things to note on here. So let me just scroll down. So how do I get paid? We pay our testers via PayPal. You must have a PayPal account and live in a country that can receive PayPal money transfers. So if you don't have a PayPal account, then unfortunately you can't go ahead and do this. Or if you do have a PayPal account but you are not in a country that accepts PayPal money transfers, then again this wouldn't be for you. So if we scroll down here, it says we are accepting testers from the following countries. You can go through all of these, and if you click the drop down box, it breaks it down even further for you, so you can see here. So let me just come down here. So what is the sign up process? So sign up is quick and easy. You just enter your email address on the page, and then you go ahead and you have to do a sample test just to prove that you can go ahead and give thoughts and feedback correctly. So that's it really, it's simple to do. So let me just jump over here for you into the frequently asked questions. To be fair, we've covered some of these. So do I have to pay to be a tester? No. So this is pretty good, because some sites like this you do have to go ahead and pay a sign-up fee or an ongoing monthly fee, but with these guys you do not have to pay. So that is pretty cool. How much do I get paid and when do I get paid? So testers get paid $10 for each completed test, and a test consists of a 20-minute recording, and then you've got to answer 4 follow-up written questions. So how soon will I be able to start doing paid tests? If your sample test is approved, you will start receiving emails notifying you about testing opportunities. New tests are posted daily. So what I would say to you is if you're going to go ahead and register with this company, and it's the same really if you're doing any sort of online surveys or questionnaires or things like this, create a new email account, because you don't want this to get mixed up in your normal inbox, because you may potentially miss it. So if you are going to go and look at doing this, then just create a new Gmail or a Hotmail or a Yahoo specifically just for this. So then you're not going to go ahead and miss any of the emails notifying you of when there's a job. What kind of device do I need? That we covered that on the last phone. Do I need a microphone to be a user? Well, yeah, yeah. If you don't own a microphone, he's an expensive one. So you do need a microphone, but you can use a built-in app on your phone for that. You can use that. Most laptops and computers have built-in microphones anyway, so that is fine. What do I need to download anything? Yes, you do need to download the software. You need to download the screen recorder onto your computer to become a tester, so pretty straightforward. Is PayPal the only way you get paid? Yes, it is. I had a look at this earlier. Yeah, so that's it. So if you don't have PayPal, unfortunately you can't go ahead and do this. Are payments taxed? Now this is normally up to you, sir. Yeah, so these guys do not withhold any taxes from payments. So they will pay you $10 per test that you complete, and then it's up to yourself to go ahead and notify the lovely, lovely tax people. Do I have to be in the United States for testing? No, we've already covered that. And how do I apply to be a tester? So to apply to be a tester, application process is simple. Click here to be a tester. So if I just click on here, I'll show you what tab it opens up into. So basically, you're going to go ahead, you're going to fill in your contact details, and then you get given a sample test. So you do your sample test, you send it off, and then they will either approve it or reject it. If they reject it, you can go ahead and try again. It's the only reason why they would go ahead and potentially reject you is if the microphone wasn't working properly, if maybe you were doing it in a really dark room and they couldn't potentially see you, and there's not many really valid reasons why you would go ahead and get rejected. I've looked online and I've not found anyone who has actually been rejected about this so far. That could change tomorrow or even today, so feel free to go ahead and have a look on Google yourself. But this is it. So you would put in your email and continue, then you just go through and put in all of your details. So that's it for today's video. A really simple way to earn some extra money online, and all you do is ultimately you give him your feedback on a website or an app. And there's all of these different companies down here who work with these guys. We looked at up here, they've been featured in all of these different articles, so feel free to go ahead and Google usertesting.com, but you're not going to earn thousands, you're potentially going to earn a couple of $100 a month. So if you're looking for a simple way to earn some extra money online, then it's free to start, it's simple to do, and you can get started pretty much straight away. But do remember, you do need a PayPal account. So that is today's video, usertesting.com. Get paid to go ahead and give your thoughts and feedback on websites. Now, if you are new here and this is your first time on the channel, my name is Mark. This is my channel, Not Taught at School, and this here is one of my blogs. So if you're interested in earning money online and looking at ways you can generate extra income, feel free to go ahead and have a look at my blog here on my Make Money section. I've got literally lots. I've got loads and loads of different articles on here, everything from earning online, how you can earn free bitcoins, how you can make money, products reviews, website reviews, all sorts on here. And then I've also got a members area on the right hand side down here, so you can see here Make Money resources. So this is a free members area. Go ahead, up here you see here the best free resources available. Go ahead, put your name and email in here, and then you'll get instant access to my members area. And in here there's ebooks for earning money online, there's eBay, there's Amazon, there's how to go ahead and sell printable t-shirts, there's a Teespring course in there, and it's all free. So go ahead and join it. And if you could go ahead and give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, then you'll make sure that you are never missing a video, because I create and upload videos every single day about earning money online, digital marketing and blog traffic. So if you're interested in that, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss when we upload a new video. So thank you very much for watching today's video, and I shall see you tomorrow.